Hey, it's Jack Miller here from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my YouTube automation review. On today's agenda, we're going to cover: is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying? And are there better alternatives? Make sure you stay at the end so you can have all the info you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I do also have a special free gift for you. But before we begin, you must be wondering who I am and why you should be listening to me. So, my name is Jack Miller, and I've been making money online and working from home for the past 6 years. But my story begins about 7 years back when I was hit with some nasty health complications, which left me with a ton of medical bills. And this was on top of having a 9 to 5 call center job I absolutely hated. My life was just a complete living nightmare with no hope of escape. I just couldn't take it anymore and I knew I had to do something. So I hopped on the internet to find a way to make money online and turn my life around. In my struggles, I bought a bunch of different programs and courses, and some of them worked, but most of them did not. But luckily enough for me, I was eventually able to pay off all my medical bills. And I was even able to leave my 9 to 5 job for a period of time. So if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. And before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. I did purchase and use this program, and this review reflects my personal experience, opinions, and analysis. Your results may vary. Also, some links may be affiliate links, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Please do your own research before making any decisions. Alright, now, with that out of the way, let's get started. So what is YouTube automation? So it's a strategy to make money from ad monetization on faceless videos that are created by freelancers that you hire. And how does it work? First, you hunt for viral YouTube channels with explosive views. Then you analyze their videos to see if you can find patterns in the titles, thumbnails, and ideas. Then you hire freelancers to create videos that are similar to the viral videos you found. Then you publish these videos on your new YouTube channel and build up views and subscribers. And after enough views and subscribers, you'll unlock the ability to make money through YouTube ad monetization. And then you'll continue the cycle by publishing more viral videos and making more money. Sounds great. So how much does it cost? When I joined, I paid about $6,000 for just the course. But they also had a done-for-you program where you would choose your where they would choose your niche, create your channel, and hire your freelancers for you, which cost about $15,000. So is it a scam? No, it is definitely not a scam. It is a legitimate program. The business model is logical and sound, and some students are making significant amounts of money with it. And now it's time to go over the good and the bad. So let's go over the good. Your videos can make you passive income each month. So once you have a video made and you post it on your channel, whether it goes viral or doesn't go viral, that video is on your channel and YouTube is going to try and push it either to a lot of videos, a lot of viewers if it goes viral, or a lot of, or not so many viewers if it doesn't go viral, but still some viewers. And with each of those views, yeah, that can add up and make you passive income each month, potentially. Another good thing is the freelancers do most of the work for you. So you're the one in charge of, like, you have to come up with the idea for the video, but when it comes to writing the script, making the thumbnail, editing the video, doing the voiceover, that can all be outsourced to freelancers for you. So you don't have to do any of that if you don't want to. You could do it manually, of course, but yeah, if you can just hire freelancers to do it, why not? Also, they have a great community support and coaching. So, yeah, they have a membership site on school. So, the whole community comes there. You can see all the other students and various other coaches, and the students are asking questions. The coaches are helping them out, and they have a lot of weekly Zoom meetings, which is helpful for everyone new and everyone's still continuing on their journey. So it's great. If you feel lost, you can always ask a question or find it from going to a Zoom meeting, which is awesome. Now let's go over the bad. So with this course, there are no refunds. So yeah, make sure you actually want to do this if you go in, because yeah, there are no refunds. You're not going to get your $6,000 back at the time of this video anyways. The price of the program and making videos can be very expensive. Yep, I went over the pricing with you guys. You know that this is a pricey course. And on top of that, that's not the only price, because you have to pay for your freelancers if you want to hire them out. So you're going to have to pay to get your videos made. So you're going to have to account for that in your wallet too. And lastly, going viral can feel hit or miss. Yeah, sometimes with videos, there are some videos you're gonna spend like so much quality time polishing up, making sure the video idea is good, the title is perfect, the thumbnail looks fantastic. You're gonna put it out into the world, and no one is going to watch it because the viewers aren't into it, or just the YouTube algorithm just doesn't feel like pushing out your video due to either high competition, or it just doesn't think it's gonna vibe with people. It just doesn't think people are gonna like it. And sometimes you can just put out a dud, a video you didn't even try, and it goes viral. It can be hit or miss, and it's really frustrating. Like that it's kind of, it feels really hard to predict sometimes. And now let's go over how I personally did with the program. So I paid a lot of money, but ultimately, how did I do? Well, not so good. You see, it's been about 6 months since I started, and I haven't made a single dollar yet. And I really feel like I'm giving this program 100% of everything I have. I was able to get a couple of my videos to go somewhat viral, but the vast majority of my videos have been flops and sadly a waste of money. I'm trying to talk to the coaches to try and get some feedback to see where I might be falling short. But even after taking their advice, it's been flop after flop after flop. And it's pretty hard to keep my spirits up after sinking so much money on this. So would I personally call this program a scam? No, I wouldn't call it a scam. I've made money from my YouTube channels before I found this program, so I know it's possible. But would I recommend this program? Sadly, probably not. I joined this program to make money, and after giving it my all, I could not even make a single dollar. Would another 6 months of intense effort change things around? Anything's possible, but if it takes that long to make any money at all, I feel like I'm better off trying something else. So what's the final verdict? It's a solid course with great support, but it's hard for me to recommend since I couldn't even make a single dollar in 6 months. On top of that, the expensive pricing for the program and videos, along with the frustrating hit or miss feeling of trying to go viral on YouTube, makes it particularly hard for me to recommend. Especially when I've experienced much easier and more effective business strategies in the past. So, are there faster, easier, and more effective strategies? Yes, for sure. And how can you find out more about these strategies? By checking out my free gift in the pinned comment below. It's a free online training about my personal favorite strategy to make money online. The same strategy that helped me pay off my medical bills and escape from my 9-to-5 job for a period of time. Again, check out the pinned comment below to get started with my free training. But that's all from me today. Thanks for watching my video. You take care and have a great day.